guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get BANKAI in Type Soul. This is absolutely awesome, and this is super quick and easy as well. This is going to save you a bunch of time. You won't have to actually grind and earn the BANKAI. I'm just going to show you how to get BANKAI using a Type Soul code. So these are working codes right now in 2025 that you can grab, and yeah, this is going to get you the BANKAI race. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. As you can see here, I've got my mobile phone. I've opened up the internet browser, so make sure you do this on your mobile and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So you're going to want to type it like this, guys, and what you're going to want to do here is basically use the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Type Soul, and they have this page here. And they have a few different codes for Type Soul Roblox. So what you're going to want to do is scroll down. You can get Fullbringer as well, but this is the one. This is going to unlock BANKAI in Type Soul. Really easy. And like I said, guys, these are limited working and verified codes that you can use right now. And it's going to save you a bunch of time. You're not going to have to actually play the game to get BANKAI. You can literally go ahead and do this. Super simple. And this is going to come up here where it says the code is ready and will be revealed in the box below after verification. So if this is your first time on Cold Coupons, you do need to complete a quick verification to unlock your Type Soul code. Pretty easy, takes a few minutes. I've already done it, but what you're going to want to do is just follow the instructions here, guys, and complete a couple of free tasks. These can be things like mobile applications, games, and free surveys. You just need to select two of them, making sure you follow the instructions for the two that you choose. Fully complete them. I'm just going to skip forward, but if you do everything correctly, your Type Soul code will be fully revealed and unlocked. You can go ahead, redeem it in-game. And that is how to get BANKAI in Type Soul. Super fast, super easy, and of course, completely free. So head on over to Cold Coupons, find the Type Soul codes page here, guys, and just scroll down and select the unlock BANKAI code. And that is how to get BANKAI. So I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next video.